SAT example number 19. We're given an equation, and then it asks which of the values of x would satisfy that equation. And you're given choices A through D, including E, which means none of the above. So what you do here, you can take each of the choices and substitute in for x and see if it makes it true. So if we take 1 and put it in, on the left-hand side we have 1 cubed, which is 1, over 1 minus 1 squared, which is 1, equals, on the right-hand side, x, which is 1, over x squared minus 1. 1 squared minus 1, which is 1 minus 1. Well, even though these two sides of the equation look the same, actually the number 1 does not satisfy the equation because you have 1 over 0 equals 1 over 0. And 1 over 0 is undefined. So 1 cannot satisfy the equation. Now, negative 1, very similar, because all you have to do is look at the denominator. If you put negative 1 in the left denominator, you get 1 minus negative 1 squared, which is still positive 1. Right-hand side denominator also, you have negative 1 squared, which is 1 minus 1. So you're going to end up with a 0 in each of the denominators again, which is undefined. So negative 1 is not a choice, which also eliminates answer C. It cannot be 1 and negative 1 since it can be neither. Now, how about D, 0? Well, if you put 0 into the original equation, on the top left you get 0 cubed, which is 0, over 1 minus 0. On the right-hand side you get 0 over 0 minus 1. Now, even though the denominators are different, on the left you have 0 over 1. On the right you have 0 over negative 1. Well, 0 over anything is still 0. So on the left-hand side you get 0, and the right-hand side you get 0. 0 because 0 is a true statement. Therefore, the answer is D. That concludes SAT example number 19.